Hey everyone, I wanted to show you something really quick, really easy to make. It's my guacamole dip, and basically what I have are some avocados, and there's just one avocado, and that's my chorizo. These are cherry tomatoes that I found in a store that were on sale that were organic, and this is just one sprig of onion and half of a lime. And so I'm just going to salt it up a little bit here, and if you want you can add some sour cream to it, which I'm probably going to do, is add some sour cream, and basically you just mix it up. I like having sour cream. If you want to put cheese in there, I like that because I like that dippy flavor. And so I like adding the sour cream, or you can add some yogurt, or you can add like your cheddar cheese, or your pepper jack cheese, any kind of cheese if you want, or you could just leave it out. And basically all I'm going to do is smash it up. And that chorizo that I make it. So I make the chorizo. Basically what you could do is just you add all kinds of chili peppers to the chorizo, and you add some onion, garlic, granulated onion, garlic or the powder, and some fennel seed, pepper, smoked paprika, some Cajun spice. That fennel's going to give it that little sausagey flavor. And if you want to add a little bit of lime or lemon to it, you can. I didn't. And then I use a grass-fed beef, which is like 98% lean. So the leaner the better. You could do this the same thing with turkey meat. You could do the same thing with chicken, ground chicken, turkey, or Italian sausage. You can add it to your, and I'm telling you, this makes a wonderful dip, I know. And so guacamole is very versatile. You can make the mango guacamole and salsa. You can add some salsa. I'm not adding any peppers to that. No, I'm not going to do that this time. I'm not going to do salsa at all. But I'm going to go ahead and try it because it's so good. I've had this before, and for any football game or any kind of game, or just an hors d'oeuvre, it's just yummy. Mmm. Mmm, 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 mmm. Okay. I thought I'd give you that real quick recipe, and alright, I'll see you next time, or talk to you later. Have a good one. Happy Super Bowl Sunday. Alright.